In this video, I'm showing you the top 5 best texture packs for Minecraft this year. If you're new, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. And also please go and leave a like as well, as it helps get this video to more people. So I'm literally counting down all of my favourite and best texture packs, and they all are going to be completely different from each other, which I really do like, and honestly they're all quite unique as well. So if you're excited for this, do keep watching as I'm going over so many. So let's go and jump straight into this. Just before I go and show you the best texture packs, I'm going to quickly show you how you can install them. If you aren't interested, I'll put a timestamp so you can go and skip this. So come to the Minecraft main menu, come and click on options, and then go and click on resource packs. Then go and click open pack folder. And it's going to go and open up the folder where you need to go and drop the resource packs once you've gone and downloaded them. So go and click on a link in the description for the texture pack you would like. I'm showing you this medieval texture pack. You want to simply scroll down till you see the download at the bottom, where it says, as you can see here, 1.17, which I want. So click here, and then it's going to go and drop the download, or it's going to take you to a page like this, and you want to go to the top right where you've got this download button and click direct download. Every download will vary a little bit. And then as you can see, it's just downloading. It shouldn't take too long. So it's now finished. So I'm going to go and make this window a bit smaller like so. And then I'm going to go open up the resource packs folder. I'm going to simply drag this in just like so. And there we go, it's now in here. If I come back to Minecraft, it's now detected it and we can go and use it. Now the first texture pack I want to show you is called the Windthor Medieval Texture Pack. Here we go guys, this is an absolutely incredible texture pack with of course the medieval theme. Take a look at some of the creatures over here, they look really cool, and then we've got all of the blocks over here as well. As you can see, they all fit this theme really well. So this is going to work really well on some servers, and honestly it would be really cool just to create a normal survival world just to have this sort of cool textures in, and it could fit really well, and everything's got that old sort of theme, and honestly it looks incredible. And here are pretty much a load of the blocks, and this is for 1.17 as well as what all these are. And here we've got some of the crafting tables and other sort of uses like this, and they all look really cool. And then here is the lava and the water. So let's go into the next one. So the next one I'm showing you is called the Faithful 8x Texture Pack. Now what this means is each block is made out of 8 pixels. So as you can see, this looks really cool. And you're probably thinking everything looks kind of smaller. Now that's just how the texture pack looks. I honestly really like the look personally, and it's very different to play with, and it's honestly just fun to sort of test something out which is new. As you can see here, everything looks smaller, but also looks quite big as well, because obviously it's still the half block size. So this is honestly a must play. It looks very similar to the Faithful texture pack, which I'm also revealing later in this video, and honestly I like it. Look at all the ores, they all look kind of small, and this has definitely got some cool uses to use just to sort of play around with, and I really do like it. And yeah, definitely a must check out guys, I really recommend this. Here is all the crafting tables and stuff like that. Some of them do look similar. For example, the enchantment table, but here is the lava and water as well. I really like this one. Now here is the next one. This is the Faithful Texture Pack 32. Now this is honestly a really cool texture pack. It's quite similar to the default Minecraft version, but I do really like this one. It's got 32 compared to the 8, like the last one, so it is like 4 times, going to be 4 times sort of clearer, if that makes sense, and more detail. And honestly, this looks really cool. If we look at the animals, everything's a bit more clear than the normal version, and here are all of the blocks as well. Honestly, I really like this one, and we've got the ores over there as well. And the ores look really cool in this as well, I think. And then we can go and look at the other sort of aspects as well over here. Here are all the plants. This is really cool. Now this is a great sort of beginner's texture pack I think as well, because everything does somewhat look the same, so if you're sort of new to the game, but it honestly looks really cool. And then we've got the lava and the water over here as well. Now this is another must-have texture pack, and I think it can be useful within sort of PvP and stuff like that, so definitely come and check it out. Up next we have Jollycraft. Now this is very different to the others which I've shown you before. Everything does look very different. So if you come over to the mobs, here we go, they all look so different guys. So this is, you know, we've got the cows, we've got the pigs who look quite cool, sort of covered in muck, and we've got sheep, and we've got obviously the horses and donkeys, and they honestly look really cool. This is sort of completely different to any of the others. And if we look down here as well, the blocks do look a bit different. We haven't got sort of the normal hotbar, I think it's called. And then we've got the plants, now these look quite cool as well. And then we've kind of got the water and the lava. These look quite different as well. So this sort of does give me somewhat medieval vibes, but it's still very cool, I think. And then we have got all the blocks over here as well. Now all of these look really different as well compared to other texture packs I've seen before, which is really cool because it's quite unique, and I really do like sort of the idea of that. And yeah, there's so many to look at, as you can see. We've got all the wood as well. So yeah, a really cool one. And finally guys, we have the X-ray texture pack. Now this is honestly really useful. As you can see, all of the general sort of dirt block stone is all see-through. And this is really useful if you're trying to sort of mine for a certain ore. For example, if we come and look down here, we can simply zoom in and see the ores we would like. So we've got diamond, iron, emerald, so this is really, really cool, and you can literally see through. Now for some of this to work effective in some saves, you're going to want to increase the render distance. To do that, click Ask Options, Video Settings, and you want to increase your render distance so you can actually see the ores. But honestly, I really like this. It can be useful. I mean, some do consider it cheating, but it's still quite useful to have sometimes if you're just trying to sort of mess around. And yeah, it's really, really useful. But guys, that was the top 5 best texture packs for Minecraft. Honestly, I really did enjoy creating this video. So if you did enjoy watching it, please go down below and leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this, as I'm going to create a ton more like this if people like this video. So tell me if you want it. If there's any other sort of tutorials or countdowns you'd like to see, please go and tell me down in the comments as well. I hope you guys have a very awesome day. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.